everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So it's that time of month where I share with you my empties this time around for the month of February. As you can see, there's not too many like there usually are. Maybe because it was a shorter month, or just maybe because I didn't go through as many products. But nonetheless, I'm here to share with you what I used up. And usually I like to add a little mini review on whether or not I like the product and whether or not I would recommend it. So if you want to see what I used up in the month of February, please keep on watching. So I have this Aldo Shoes bag, and again, in no particular order, I'm just going to pull out of the bag, but I will try to go through the home scents first, just to get those out of the way. So as usual, I normally have a Bath and Body Works candle. This time around, I burnt up the Marshmallow Fireside, and if you've been with me for a while, you know this is my absolute favorite scent. Not just winter, any time of year. I love that marshmallow fire type scent. So I burnt one of those up, and as you can see, I used up all the wax. So that little wax that remains, I froze it up, and then I popped it right up and I put it in my wax melter. So I used one of those up, and I highly recommend, if you haven't tried Marshmallow Fireside, you don't know what you're missing. I highly recommend that you do. So we'll definitely repurchase this. Also by Bath and Body Works, I used up one of their Wallflowers, and this is in the scent Bergamot Mint, and I absolutely love it. I use this in my washroom, and I just find that it's a very fresh, energizing type scent. Definitely love it. Definitely repurchase it. Actually, I have a replacement in my bathroom right now with the very same scent. So you'll probably see this in my next month's empties as well. Another Wallflower is this Sunny Coconut. And yes, this is more, I guess, of a summer type scent. But I'm not really very much a seasonal melter or seasonal fragrance. I love fragrances throughout the year. So yes, I used Sunny Coconut because I'm wanting summer to be here so quickly, and I really did like this scent. Again, a lot of people are not fond of coconut. I love my coconut scents, so will I repurchase it? Heck yeah. And I think that was it for scents this time around. So this is not a Bath and Body Works hand soap. This is a L'Occitane, I think that's how you pronounce it, from Brazil. It's a lemon scent, a lemon lime scent, and I really did enjoy this. It was very nice, very soft. Again, another energizing scent, but quite surprised, and I really did like this. I actually received this as a gift, and yeah, would I purchase this? Absolutely, I would. Very nice. Now, this is not my traditional foaming hand washes that I normally purchase. This was more of just a I guess a gel, you can say, but I really did enjoy it, and the scent was very nice, and it didn't dry your hands either. By A Lady Speed Stick, I used up one of their 24-hour antiperspirant in the scent Powder Fresh, and usually I like the baby powder scents, and I would definitely repurchase this again. Sorry about the packaging. I know it's a little grungy, but what can you do? I used up one of these Tech Floss picks, and these are 25 cents per package, so 4 for $1, and I like to carry these in my purse, and I really keeping with the dental hygiene theme, I used up a Crest Complete Extra Whitening with Tartar Protection toothpaste. Again, if you've been with my channel for a while, you know I get these for free, and I have a huge stock of them. So yes, I will continue purchasing these, and I'll continue using these. They're toothpaste. It does what it's supposed to do. Used up one of these pore refining nose strips. This is the charcoal pore strip. This I picked up either at Winners or Marshalls, and it's very similar to the Biore strips. And again, it did take all the gunk out of your nose, and I don't use this on a regular basis, maybe once or twice a month, but I really do like using these. Also used up a sample from Elizabeth Arden. This is a skin Renewal Booster. Now this is a very small, sorry the glare there, you might not be able to see it. This was a very small sample, so I cannot give you my honest review whether or not it did or did not work, because just wasn't enough. I mean, I love my skin soft. I don't know what else it claims to do, but it's a serum with, oh sorry, it's to smooth onto clean face day and night before applying serum. Again, it was too small for me to give my honest opinion. And I finally finished up my Sol Anti-Aging Reparative Serum. I absolutely love this stuff, and I'm sad that it's finally finished, but I really did like this. Last couple of items are makeup type items. I used up this SC and nail polish. You can see there's still a little bit left in there, but it's very thick and gooey, and you can see some came out of the bottle. Sorry about that. But this was in the color, I guess it just has the number 152. It was like a baby doll pink, and it was nice, but it's time to say bye-bye. My Holy Grail concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind eraser for dark circles. You can see it's completely gone. I've already purchased another one and replaced this. Will never ever not be with this item. It is so good. It's great coverage, and it doesn't crease under my eyes, and it leaves a nice smooth finish, and I will 100% absolutely buy this and recommend this. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend that you do. You did see this in my last month's empties, because I have so much new foundation that I want to finish the older ones before I move ahead to the new ones. So I had another one of the matte and poreless Fit Me foundations in the color 220 Natural Beige, and you can see it's completely gone. I put it upside down and try to get every last drop of it. And this is my Holy Grail drugstore foundation. I absolutely love this. So right now on the go, I have the other Maybelline, you know, the one with the white top, the 24-hour coverage. So I'm going to give that one a go and compare both of them. But I love the Maybelline drugstore foundations. Definitely, if you're looking for a nice coverage foundation that is budget friendly, highly recommend the Maybelline brand. Super duper love it. And last but not least, I'm sad to see this one go. It's the Carmack Classic Lip Balm. It's the medicated, and you can see here it is absolutely completely gone. Ooh, that looks gross. And it's completely gone, and this is my Holy Grail lip balm. Absolutely love it. I've tried so many others that claim to be moisturizing, non-drying. This does not compare to anything else. Unfortunately, I cannot find these in my local Walmart or local Shoppers Drug Mart or Rexall for that matter. I actually purchased this one at the Dollar Tree when I was in Buffalo not too long ago. So I'm sad to see it go. Hopefully next time I make a trip, I'll be able to pick some more up. I know they sell them at Amazon right now, but I think it's like $9 and change. And this was $1.25 in the US. So anyways, favorite. If anyone knows where they sell these here in Canada, specifically Ontario, and more specifically GTA, let me know, because I need to replenish my stock. I mean, I have no stock. This is my last one. Anyways, that was it for my empties for the month of February this time around. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these products or if you recommend any other products. Again, this was mostly a win-win this time around. I really enjoyed all my products. So again, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.